Asibingelele sikwamukele njengoba sikhona namhlanje la siseCharlesfontein uyabona lapha escreenini sakho ukuthi ke namhlanje ke amalunga omphakathi waseNingizimu Afrika aphume einkalo zonke eNingizimu Afrika ke ezoqinisekisa ukuthi ke ophosa ke umbono wawo ke khona konke kwenzakalayo eNingizimu Afrika uzokhumbula ukuthi ke kube nemkhulu kusokumkhulu umsindo ukuthi uGeneral Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi ke amemezele ke ukuthi ke kunabantu bangaphakathi ke ngaphakathi ekhulumeni ke abasebenzisana ke nemaqembu ezigeleke ukucindezela ke phansi nokubukela phansi ke umthetho sisekelo waseNingizimu Afrika eseloku kusukela leso sigameko leso ke imamashi abekhona enkalo zonke eNingizimu Afrika namhlanje ke sila eThekwini ke lapho khona ke imashi ke yamalungu omphakathi ke ehanjelwe ke amaqembu ezepolitika ahlukahlukene phakathi singabala kuona iATM kanye neqembu lomkhonto wesizwe phansi ke amalungu omphakathi ke namhlanje azozwakalisa ke umuzwa wawo ke ngokuthi ke uGeneral Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi ke bathi abanye ke extendelwe ke i-term yakhe ke yona le asemaphoyiseni ke abanye futhi basho ukuthi ke abasakholelwa impela ke kwi-commission ke yakhe lapha na ke umnomzane Cyril Ramaphosa bechaza ukuthi ke ama-commission bekhona abile maningi impela kodwa akukho okuthiwa ke kuphume nakho ke okuphathekayo ke zwele kamalungu omphakathi ke ezikhulumela wona ke ngokwawo.
Yabingelela uNokuthula wacele lokhulumayo uchairperson we-women's sector eThekwini district aphinde abe GPV activist eKZN ngiphinde ngibe iKZN civil society forum leader la eThekwini. Izathu esenze sihlele le mashi ukuthi sizwe uGeneral Mkhwanazi mhla ka6 ememezela into esibuyise ithemba sumphakathi ememezela into esibuyise esiqinise idolo sama civil servants ase South Africa ngokuthi aveze obala abantu abacorrupta umbuso wase South Africa aba-infiltrator amacala ala eSouth Africa and kusiphathe kabi kakhulu ukuze ukuthi abantu abasemagunyeni nabo nekuyibona abalidayo ibona futhi abaphazamisa ukusebenza kwendikalo yomthetho ukwenza njalo kwabo lokho kusenza siphelelwe ithemba ukuthi asisenamholi sesiyiprotected thina ngokwethu uGeneral Mkhwanazi uyena yedwa okhombise ukukhathalela ama-South Africans phezu kokuba uCyril Ramaphosa uhlulekile total ukuthi asikwazi usiprotect. I-commission ayinamsebenzi walutho i-commission angazo yesingaki le ekhona wonke lawa amanye enzeni ukusi-undermine kwayikona lokho uGeneral Mkhwanazi ushilo wathi unabo ufakazi so sikephi isidingo se-commission sikephi isidingo ukuthi asitshele 6 months ekubeni ngabe amacala aphenywa manje ngoba there is an evidence ngokusho kwaGeneral Mkhwanazi uCyril Ramaphosa usibizile wathi uzokhuluma nathi sama-South Africans wazositshela into abengasitshela yona ngisho le phesheya ayikho lento abezositshela yona bezoganga ngathi uzoyisa uminister kwi-on a special leave wakwayizwaphi leyo nto into engekho ngisho emthethweni ukusi-undermine uyaseyisa kwayiyena sidinga ukuthi a-remove immediately ngoba usifeyilile akanamsebenzi walutho eSouth Africa. Mina engifisa ukwenzeke uminister uSenzo Mchunu akasuswe straight esikhundleni aboshwe nasebenzisana nabo ngoba akasebenzi yedwa. Okwesibili sifisa uGeneral Mkhwanazi i-contract yakhe ingaterminatewa njengoba sizwile ukuthi i-contract yakhe izophela maduze. Sifuna i-contract yakhe kungabi kusaba ukuthi iyavuselelwa but sifuna anyusele phezulu ku-national ngoba ithemba lethu selikuyena sifuna abe fully protected and once bathinta uGeneral Mkhwanazi bobe bethinta thina ama-South Africans ngoba siyazi ukuthi kuningi abakuplanayo ngaye ngoba even ama-drugs la eSouth Africa ama-drug syndicate angaphansi kwabantu abaphezulu aba-prominent. We are fighting against i-GBV. I-GBV it's a serious matter la it's a national crisis kuzoba i-crime it's a national crisis especially KZN it's a number 1 hotspot of crime but asinayo asinayo akuboshwa umuntu ngalokho so asikwazi ke sesikhathele sithi enough is enough.
Ahmad Manzoor Sheikh Imam. I served in Parliament from 2014 to 2024. I've served on the Portfolio Committee on Police, and Lieutenant General Mkhwanazi has served this country with absolute excellence, with the highest level of integrity and I felt it my duty to come. You know, I have been shouting and screaming about corruption for so long, but there is a man in the provincial commissioner who took it upon himself to fight them, because I've raised corruption time and time again and nothing has been done about it. We lose an estimated 400 to 500 billion rand a year on corruption in South Africa. So if we don't do something now, then we are done and dusted. Thank you. So I'm here to give him my full support as a provincial commissioner who has proven beyond doubt that he is very capable. And not only corruption, but the way he executes and manages his staff. Because what he has done, if you notice that he has from time to time made great inroads into criminal syndicates. So Mkonazi is the kind and caliber of person that you need to, in fact, I would have thought by now he would have been the national commissioner, but it's not to be. But he'll get his turn, I can tell you. If there's anybody that's entitled to that position, then it's him.
Ukhuluma noSiphiwe kaNgcobo usekile angigusile neze mfowethu ngoba mawubheka nje la sibheke la siqhamuka khona semaningi ama commission ebakhona kodwa aphelele emoyeni, so kuthanda ukuthi kusinde ukuthi samukele ukuthi le kukhona into ezozanayo ezoba ushintsho. Kahle kahle yabona indaba yokuthi asuspende afake uminister on leave, special leave, asivumelani nayo. Cabanga ukuthi bekufanele ukuthi amkhiphe esikhundleni bese kubheka umuntu ongafitha kulo profile ozoba ne-interest ezakhamuzi zase South Africa, hayi lo sebenzele ephaketheni. I-country yethu idayisiwe, kunabantu abaqhamuka ngaphandle abasenzela umathanda la, ingane zethu ayisenalo ikusasa. Kubhizi kubalekwa imali, ingane zethu kuthathwa imali ebolekwayo emazweni angaphandle eyokhokhwa ingane zethu. Mawubheka kahle kahle la eSouth Africa mfowethu ziningi izinto. Okokuqala nje abantu labo kufika asilwisani nabo abafowethu, kodwa inkinga ugcina uthola thina sesikhokha ama service charges, bona bahlezi mahhala, bahlezi la behlezi khona badla idingo nqangi ekumele ngabe bayazikhokhela, bayisebenzisa bayikhokhela, zikhokhelwa yithina. Kunama lama unrest abakhona ukuthi abantu abanelisekile ngohulumeni bama local government. It's because bayasindwa kwabona labo hulumeni, because bakhetherela abantu abangekho kwi-system abanga-provide anything to the fiscus. So until ugovernment documenta abantu bonke bakhokha intela bese beyahamba bangena nasebhodlela bathola ama-benefits, ngoba mawubheka kahle kahle baya-overwhelmed ama-government institutions because of i-load yabantu la country ngongekho emthethweni. Thank you, poet.